Hi friends, welcome to the SK solution. Today I am going to teach you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me. You can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. First I will prepare base. The base dimensions is 125 and 75 mm and 15 mm thickness. Select new, metric, standard mm, create. Select 2D sketch, select plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension 75, tab 100. Okay. Extrude up to 15 mm. So now this base is ready. You can see there is a one flange back side, that is 15 minus 30, 50 minus 30 minus 15, 35 mm. Okay, for that select sketch, select rectangle, 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 15 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 35 mm. 50 minus 35. No, something. Edit future, 50 minus 15 mm. You can see there is one pipe here. That diameters are 52 and 28 and dimension is 45 mm and this is center. For that select this surface, sketch, (52) and 28. (45). Give the vertical constraint. Sketch is fully constrained. Length is 35 mm. Okay. Now you can see there is a two holes in the top side, that is 45 mm pitch and 35 mm from the bottom. Select this surface, select point, give the dimension 45 and here to here 35. Select vertical constraint, okay, here to here 15. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select your hole, free wall we required. Diameter is 15. Select here 15. Click OK. You can see there is a charm fillet is there, that is R15. Select fillet, change the dimension, select corners, apply. So you can see friends, all the features are completed, but one thing, edit sketch, this is 125. Okay, so now you can see. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comments, friends. Now I will assign the material. So I will go with stainless steel or mild steel. Stainless steel. Select any one of the finish. Steel and all like this will come, friends. Finishing steel polished, steel galvanized, brushed, like that will come. So I will go with steel polished. So now you can see the finishing is very good. So if you want, we can give some coloring also. So that's it from today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.